Today, we are going to talk about an exciting AI tool called Readdy AI, a platform that promises to help you build smart websites that not only look good but also interact with your visitors in intelligent way. Many business owners and creators want the websites that do more than just display information. They want the sites that can answer questions, guide users and help the convert visitors into customers. In this video, I will explain how Readdy AI works that makes it different from other website builders and whether it is worth to using for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to explore Readdy AI with an available offers, free access or special benefits. By using the description link, any available benefit that will be applied automatically, so you get the best experience possible. Now let's come to the main part of the video. To begin with Readdy AI, basically this is an artificial intelligence website builder that takes a different approach compared to traditional tools. Most website builders help you in the design pages, layout content, but Readdy AI goes a step further by using the artificial intelligence to make your website smart and interactive. This means your website can ask questions, understand visitor intent, provide suggestions, and even provide the responses, all without you having to write special code or hiring developers. One of the first things people notice about Readdy AI is how quickly you can create a website. Instead of spending hours in designing for the layouts or choosing the template, you start by describing your website in simple words and you tell the Readdy AI what your business is about, what goals you have, and what kind of experience you want for your visitors. Based on this information, the AI generates a ready to use website, the pages, the design, and the interactions that match your description. Readdy AI also uses the natural language processing, which means it can understand human language and provide the responses that feel natural to the visitors. For example, if someone comes to your site and asks about the pricing or the features or support, the AI can answer in real time. This makes your website feel more live and helpful, almost like having a live chat agent without actually hiring a person. Another key feature of Readdy AI is how it handles the visitor engagement. Traditional websites rely on forms, buttons, and static content. Readdy AI adds a layer of interactivity where visitor can ask questions or express their goals, and the AI responds with relevant information, directions, or recommendations. For business that depend on lead generation, customer support, this can significantly improve the user experience and conversion rates because visitors get the answer instantly. Readdy AI also help with the content creation. When you build your website with Readdy, it can generate the text for your page automatically based on your business description. This saves time and effort, especially if you struggle with writing your own website content. Instead of starting at a blank page, wondering what to write, the AI delivers the paragraphs, headline, and description that are relevant and professional. One of the advantages that users like is Readdy AI integrated with common tool and analytics system. This means you can track how visitors interact with your smart website. You can see which questions are being asked and understand what parts of your content are performing best. Analytics help you to improve your website over time because you can make decisions based on the real visitor behavior rather than guesswork. Now let's talk about the ease of use. For beginners, building and launching a traditional website that can feel technical and stressful. You need to choose hosting, you need to set up the domain and handle the design decisions. Readdy AI simplifies the process. You can launch a fully functional website with the interactive AI elements and without needing to learn any technical skill. This is one of the reasons that many small business owners and freelancers enjoy using the Readdy AI. It reduces the barrier to creating a powerful online presence. Of course, it's important to talk about the limitation too. While Readdy AI excels at smart interaction and automated content, it may not offer the same depth of design customization as some traditional website builders. If you want full control over every pixel or very specific layout choice, then you might find traditional tools offer more design freedom. Readdy AI focuses on speed and interaction more than deep customization, which is ideal for many users but not perfect for every need. So that's all for today's video, and that was the review on the Readdy AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants a smarter website solution and who want to reduce the design timing. Now thank you so much for watching the video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.